everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall home decor haul video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the pieces that I will be using to decorate the house for the fall this season. So I hope you guys are excited. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula and I make videos on lifestyle, home, fashion. I hope that you will hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you're notified on when I post next. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, so the fall season is officially here. We're well into the start of fall and I'm so excited. It is my favorite season. I love everything about fall, from the decor to the food to the fashion to the weather. Everything is just so nice and it's just a great way to start kind of like the end of the year. So I love decorating the house for the fall and just getting cozy and making it cozy as the weather starts cooling down. So today I'm going to share with you guys some of the recent finds from a couple of different stores, from Target, from Marshalls, from At Home, a couple of things from Kirklands, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, and one thing from Crate & Barrel. And I'm going to show you guys everything by store. That way it's just easier to keep organized, and I'm gonna link everything down below in the description box. So if you like something, if you're interested, make sure to check those links down below. I'll have it all listed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with Target. Target's really where I found the bulk of the things that I wanted. I did want to use some of the things that I already had from previous years along with a couple new things. And one of the things that I really wanted to look for and kind of invest in were some really nice throw blankets. Now, I love a good throw blanket during the fall season when you're in the living room watching a movie, or you're in your room, but you don't want to like actually get under the covers. You want to keep your bed made, but want something to like cover up with. I love a good throw. So I have one in the living room right now, but it's like a gray color and it doesn't really match the decor. And I wanted to find something else, and I had heard a lot of really great things about the Casa Luna line at Target. I decided to check it out. They had a great sale going on where all their bedding was 20% off. So I picked up one blanket from there. So let me go ahead and show you that. Right, so this is the Casa Luna blanket that I picked up from Target. It is a pretty big, full size. It's actually full queen blanket. So it's a huge blanket and it could fit, you know, if you have a full or a queen, it could fit like an actual like comforter, but I just wanted it as a big throw pillow. I love being able just to like drape it on the, you know, couch or over the bed or something. And I love that it's like hand woven like this. It's like a really nice knit full plush blankets that's really going to keep you warm during the fall and winter seasons. So I got mine in the natural color. I know they also had it like in a rust, they had it in a green, gray, and a ton of other colors. So I will link it down below so you can check it out. But it was 20% off, so I did get like $12 off of it. I think it came out to like $47 for a queen size blanket, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So yeah, so this is what I got. Let me know if any of you guys own any of these Casa Luna blankets. I love the look of them and just how cozy they are. So I'm really excited to use this. I am going to be filming a fall decorate with me video showing you guys how I style everything throughout the house. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Alright, so I did get the Casa Luna one in the natural color because I just kind of wanted one that I could use in different rooms. But I also wanted to pick up an olive green one. And I found this other one by Threshold, the Studio McGee line at Target. And it comes in this really beautiful olive green. It has some like specks of like cream in it, which I thought was really nice, but I love this one. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this one in our bedroom because we have like spots of green throughout the room. And this one was a pretty good deal. It was $35, and I just love the Studio McGee line at Target. They have so many great things, but I really love this one. They also had this one in multiple colors. It is like that hand woven cable knit look as well, but it is not as big. So this one is a, let's see if it tells me the dimensions. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 50 by 60 inch throw blanket and then the Casa Luna one is a 90 by 92. So yeah, fairly smaller than this one, but still really great. So if you don't want to like invest in a huge blanket or in the Casa Luna ones, I think the Threshold Studio McGee ones are really, really great quality as well. All right, so now we're gonna move on to some of the vases and florals that I found. So what is fall without a good fall floral throughout the house? And I really wanted some nice like vases, ceramic vases that I could put throughout the house that would look really nice and go with the decor I already have. So I found some arrangements that already came with the floral stems along with the vase, so they were actually glued in. All right, so here is the first one, and look at this beautiful floral stem arrangement. I love the color of this, like this nice like rust color. The vase is gorgeous. It kind of has like brush strokes throughout it, so it gives it kind of like a rustic look but still really elevated. So I don't know if you can see some of that there, but I just love the detailing on this. This is by the Hearth and Hand line by Magnolia at Target, and I really love this. So these stems do come glued to the vase, so you can't switch them out, but I thought it was really gorgeous and beautiful, and maybe something I could use year round. It's kind of like my aesthetic, so I really love this. All right, so the next one that I got was this one here. This is by the Studio McGee line from Threshold at Target, and this is one that I had seen actually in the summertime. I actually had my eye on it. I was like, I want to get it, but I didn't pick it up until now, and I'm so glad I did because it's something I could see myself using year round. I love like the natural like green stems here. I love the vase that it has like the little handles. I think it's really cute. It's a little bit smaller, but I think it still works because the stems are so full, and it really can just like bring some color to the space. So I love this one as well. I'm gonna try to link everything below if I can find it. These stems also come glued to the vase. All right, so next I'm going to show you guys just some decorative like pieces that I plan to use around the house. The first is this little plush pumpkin little decor piece. I love this. These little plush pumpkins are so in style right now. I've seen them all over the place, from tiny little ones to huge ones, and I love these little pillows. I found this one at Target. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was between like $5. It might have been 5 to 10, I'm not sure, but I really love this olive green. I love how soft it is, and I'm thinking I'm going to use this in a woven tray on the island. I think it would be really nice along with like a candle and one of the vases. And then the other little decorative piece I found, actually Ricardo found this in the dollar spot. It's this little apple container. It comes with a little lid, and I thought it was so cute because you don't always see like a lot of like apple decor for the fall. You definitely see like the pumpkins all over, but apples not so much. And I thought this was really nice. I thought this would be nice like on the console table or something like that, and it could be functional. You can use it to store things or even like put like potpourri in it or something, so it gives kind of like a good like scent in the house. I don't know. It could be used for a lot, or you can put your keys in there, whatever. So love this. This is from the dollar spot. All right, so what would fall be without some fall candles, right? So I picked up a couple fall candles from Target, and I've really been loving their candles. Now I've been kind of going more for like really nice elevated candles that have good scent to them, and that'll make good like decor pieces as well. I found this one that comes in a ceramic little vase here, and it's shaped like a pumpkin. Doesn't come with the lid, but that's okay. I really love how like subtle it is. And this is by the Threshold line, and it's in the scent Spice Vanilla Fig. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So if you like the fall warm scents, but you don't want to go all out on like the sweet pumpkin spice like scents that are like really sweet, I definitely would suggest this. This is more of like a subtle sweet smell. It says it's a roasted fig fruit, zesty citrus, and brown sugar, along with white cedar and caramel drizzled with rich vanilla and soft spice. It smells so good. Then the other one that I picked up is this one. First of all, I fell in love with the packaging. The container is beautiful. It's like that like amber glass there, and it comes with a little gold tin lid. It does have a wooden wick on it, so it's gonna crackle when you burn it, and it smells just like a crisp apple. This is in the Honey Crisp Apple Cider scent, and it smells so good. This is also by Threshold. Yeah, this is also Threshold. I'm telling you, Threshold is where it's at. I love Threshold, Studio McGee, all their stuff is so good. All right, and the last candle that I got at Target is one that I've already been burning. It's this little pumpkin one. It comes with a little lid, super cute. This is definitely gonna be your typical pumpkin scent. This is vanilla pumpkin, so definitely smells like a pumpkin, very sweet. A little bit goes a long way, so this tiny little wick like really fills up. I have this burning in the kitchen and it fills up the kitchen so well. I have two more things from Target to show you. One is this floral stem here. This is also by Threshold, and I love the colors on this. I loved how full it was. It has, you know, some browns and some mustards in it, and I think this would look really nice in like in a vase. And I just hit myself there. It would look really nice in like a vase in the living room. So love this. If you're looking for some stems, they definitely have some great ones. And then the last thing is something that I had been eyeing for so long. So I love my Stanleys. I have the 40-ounce Stanley in a like pink color, and they also have like the 30-ounce one with the handle, which I love for like on the go. But I saw this fall color and I had to have it. So it's this beautiful, beautiful color. I think this is in the, does it give you the color? I can't remember what it is, but this is one of the limited edition colors by the collaboration that Stanley did with Hearth and Hand for Target. Oh my gosh, it's like this gorgeous, like kind of like taupe olive green color. Love it so much. This is one of like the newer ones that has the grip on it. My other one doesn't have the grip. So really looking forward to using this one and obviously getting my water in for the day. I love it so much. It's so good, and I will link it down below if I can find it. All right, so next I'm going to move on to Crate and Barrel. Crate and Barrel is a store I don't normally shop at, but I was on the hunt for a hand woven like basket tray, and I looked high and low for it. I had bought one on Amazon. When it came in the mail, it was teeny tiny, so it looked much bigger in the picture, so I had to send it back. And I found this beautiful one at Crate and Barrel, and I decided, hey, that's gonna be it. So it's this gorgeous, beautiful hand woven tray. I wanted one with handles, and I wanted it to be big enough to fit like a vase, a candle, a decor piece in it. So love this one. And it is pretty big, and I'm really looking forward to using this on the kitchen island, just placing it there with some of the decor pieces. I really think it's going to make like a statement piece in the kitchen. It did take a little bit to get here. It was back ordered, so if you want it, I would suggest getting it and just waiting in the mail for it. All right, so next I'm going to move on to At Home. So At Home is a store that is near to me, and I love it so much. They have literally everything there, and I went there to look for a fall garland, which I did find, and I will show you in a bit. But they also had a really great selection of vases, so I found this one there, and I love it because it's a little bit taller. It's ceramic. It comes in this really pretty taupe color, and I think it's just perfect. I think it'll go really well with the decor. I feel like I can use it year round, so I definitely recommend if you have it at home by you, definitely check it out. I know they also ship, but yeah, love this little piece here. All right, and to go along with that vase, I did find some floral stems there for a really great price. I found this one in this rust color. These were $3.99 for this bunch, and then I found these really pretty mustard ones for $2.99, and I think I'm going to use the rust ones for this vase, since they're a little bit taller, and have it displayed like that. I could also do the mustard, but the mustard are a little bit shorter, but I could add like some padding at the bottom to make it a little taller. But I also love how that looks as well. So if you're looking for some affordable stems, I would check out At Home. I know Hobby Lobby stems are usually a little bit more expensive, but then they do like the 50% off, and they're a little bit more affordable. But definitely check At Home. These were regular price, and they were, you know, $2.99, $3.99. And the main reason why I went into At Home was because I was looking for a fall garland to place over the mantle in the living room, and I actually did find one. It's this one right here, and I really loved all the colors on it. I love that the colors are a little bit more muted. It does include a little bit of berries in it, fall leaves, and like some greenery in it, and I think this is just gonna look gorgeous and add like a pop of color because our mantle is white, the fireplace is white, the wall is like a light gray, so I think this is really gonna pop there. And the next store I'm gonna cover is Marshall's. So at Marshall's I found some really nice kitchen towels. I wanted some that weren't too like in your face, something that was a little bit more subtle that I could use year round, but that would also match my fall decor. And I found these. This is a 3-pack, comes in like a sage green, a cream, and a taupe, and they're like a waffle knit material, if you can see there. And I really love these. I think these would look really nice and go well with the theme. Then I also did find another fall candle. I think I'm going to use this in the guest bathroom. I was looking for a couple of decor pieces for the guest bathroom, and this gorgeous amber vase was just so beautiful. It comes with the lid, and it has this beautiful pattern all throughout. This is more of your sweet scent, so this is a pumpkin caramel scent. Smells so good, so definitely think it's going to look really nice in the guest bathroom. And to go along with it, I also wanted to find some like amber hand soap and hand lotion like dispensers, and I found this set, which I thought was perfect. This is not real glass, it's plastic, but it looks nice, and it comes with the hand soap, lotion, and then the fragrance oil base with the little scented sticks there. And I love this. This is not in a fall scent, it's in a citrus, but I think it still works because it gives you kind of like that clean, refreshing scent. I think I am going to remove the labels on it just to make it a little bit more sleek, but I think this is going to look so good in the guest bathroom, and it comes with the little tray, which is perfect. All right, and the last store that I have to share with you guys is Kirklands. So at Kirklands, I picked up our fall wreath for our door. It's currently on the door right now, so I'm gonna add a picture here of what it looks like. I got this one like late August, early September, and I will link it down below, but I love all the colors on it. I think it's perfect for fall, and it just kind of ties everything together. It was on sale. I think it was like 50% off at the time, so definitely look out for their sales. And then I also had to pick up some of their little scent packets. These are like signature Kirkland pieces. I always get little scent packets from there. I got the Autumn Leaves and Pumpkin Please scent. Smells just like it, and I love these because you can stick them in your car, you can stick them in your closet, you can stick them in your drawers, you can leave them out in your room, like wherever you want, and they will really fill up your room. All right guys, so that was it for this fall home decor haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for my upcoming fall decorate with me video to show you guys how I style everything throughout the house. If you like home decor videos, make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe so you're notified on when I post next. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.